Alrighty, if you clicked on this video, that means you are wanting a dashboard explanation. We're going to dive into what the dashboard is and how you can navigate it. Alrighty, for starters, we're going to go ahead and check these top tabs. What are they? So you have different buckets that reservations fall into. That could be checked in guests, that could be checked out. Those could be bookings that you received overnight or the past few weeks. It could be anyone arriving today. It could be anyone departing that day. Any of your overstays and any of your no-shows. So anytime you click into these buckets, you're going to see different reservations. All you have to do to see these reservations is give it a simple click. You have all the details to that reservation here. The next part to look at the dashboard is this global search function. You can click on this and you can enter any name, email, ID that you have to look up a reservation. For this example, I'm going to look up John Cena. We can look up John Cena and we see all of the reservations associated to John Cena. If we need to go to his booking that he did maybe last night, all we have to do is give it a click and it's going to pull up. Next, we're going to go to this feature, which is export reservations. Now, some campgrounds like to export everything that's going on that day and have a clear print view of what that looks like. You can actually hit export. You have different checkboxes that you can click. Most campgrounds will want to do anyone that's arriving or departing, but you can also do any checked-in guests, and you can generate that as a CSV. And lastly, we still have that new reservation feature. If you need to make a new reservation, just click there, put in the dates, and you're good to go. Please let me know and reach out if you have any questions over the dashboard.